वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक। ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले हम बात कर रहे थे मिस्टर आमिर मंजूर से, और अभी हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे अबाउट link.net और आपको बहुत सी इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे विद मिस्टर आमिर मंजूर। अभी हम बात कर रहे थे आपसे अबाउट link.net, और link.net के बारे में अगर मैं आपसे बात करूं तो हम इंटरनेट के बारे में जब हम बात करें तो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंटरनेट वर्ल्ड, और इसमें क्या आपकी फैसिलिटीज़ या कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ आ जाती हैं इसमें?
Okay, internet world in itself is, like it's a whole lifestyle. Okay, we can start, okay, educational. There are lot of sites available for educational purposes. Then, currently even like schools and colleges have, started using internet to, people, like students use internet to access, get information, put up their projects. So, एक educational aspect है उसका. Then there is another aspect is news, कि आपको worldwide news जो है, you get it at a click of a button, whatever is happening anywhere. So that is, then entertainment is there. So, you want to listen to movies, you want to see movies, listen to music. फिर, एक बच्चों के लिए there are a lot of like games available है. It's like a growing community. आपने देखे होंगे बहुत से competition भी अब online, gaming वगैरह के होते हैं. So internet is all about a lifestyle. ठीक है ना, कि what lifestyle, what part of certain किस level के ऊपर आप बैठे हुए हैं, age अपनी है, and what lifestyle you want to adapt. फिर fashion की चीज़ें available हैं internet के ऊपर. So it's everything. I mean, you name it and you'll find it on the internet.
So we can say that what is happening around us in the world, it's not far from us. We are just in the world and we are just trying to see in the internet what is happening around us. And it's not impossible for anybody now to see कि हम कैसे इसको जो है देखें या क्या करें. So the internet is helping us doing all these things. आपके जो certificates, I was looking at your website, तो उसमें I was looking कि आपके बहुत से certificates and awards your company has been awarded, and so would you like to tell our viewers some of them?
Okay, on the certificate side, we in our 15-16 years of our history, we have multiple certificates and awards that have been awarded to link.net. Recently, in Pakistan, we launched our services in 2008, and we have recently been chosen as Brand of the Year award for our services in Pakistan. This is the most recent edition for the Pakistani sector. Besides this, we have been chosen as the ISP of the Year in the Middle East region for multiple years, starting from 1999 till last year. We have received this award multiple times. Then we have also been given the award of Telecommunication Partner of the Year by Microsoft in year 2005. Then we were given the Customer Experience Award by Microsoft in year 2004. Microsoft also gave us the award of Partner of the Year for again year 2005. These are the years when we started our partnership with Microsoft and started working with them on different projects. Then again we have also on the certificate side we have CMMI level 3 certification right now, and are audited under going in Egypt for level 5. And it is in the last phases, so by the end of this year we'll be CMM level 5 certified. Our offices in Egypt and Pakistan are ISO 9001 certified, making sure that we can provide good and
internet services.
So these are just few words. I mean, the list is huge.
Okay, so it's just a matter of few years that your company is working, and they have been awarded so many awards because of its determination and high level customer satisfaction, which is a great or a success for the company. So what is the role of your strategic partners in your link.net?
Our strategic partners play a key role in the development of our products and the delivery of our services. Currently, Microsoft, which is the global software giant, is our strategic partner for application and platform delivery. Then we have partnership with Juniper, Cisco, and Alcatel. These partnerships help us build our world-class infrastructure. Then we also have partnership with British Telecom Infonet. That helps us in providing global connectivity solutions to multinationals throughout the world. So like our partners play a very important role in our growth as well as providing the best services to the customer. So we don't consider like in the past companies consider vendors as just vendors. That is not what our belief is. We consider them as a partner, and whatever they put in, we use that, take that to the customer, so we can provide the best to the customers.
True.
So we give that feeling to our vendors that
they
are our partners, so they're
just part of your company.
Yes,
and
they
not
feel that they are part of our company, and us together provide the best.
I think this is the most important thing in the company कि जब आप एक joint venture के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, और when you think that we are all one and we are working for something that gives a great success to the company. Do you believe in good corporate governance, and do you believe it is being practiced in Pakistan?
Well, I definitely believe in that, but the practice part, like somewhere it's there, somewhere it's not there. It's a mix of both.
So you believe that, and what is your company? Your company is you believe, and you're practicing in your company about good corporate governance.
Yes, we definitely practice that. And this is like even like Link.net also believes in this. But even before Link.net, we had good corporate governance within our organization. When I formed WL over here, so we made sure that we implemented good governance within our organization. And when we merged with Link.net, they had a similar culture. So that helped both the organization merge successfully.
When you were bringing your company to Pakistan, और जैसे हम political instability की बात करते हैं, do you think कि इस तरह की political instabilities जो है ये affect करती हैं businesses को?
देखें
और क्या डरना चाहिए लोगों को पाकिस्तान में invest करते हुए?
Okay, these are two different, like yes, instability definitely affects the business, but not to the extent that it has been exposed, to the foreign media. Like, when we were bringing Link.net in Pakistan, we were also, having discussions with some other foreign investors who, belong to Europe and North America. Unfortunately, for them, the country risk was higher because that is how they perceive it. It's a matter of perception. Reality is different from what the perception is. Unfortunately, जो पाकिस्तान की perception है ना, that is not correct.
I think the way media portrays,
exactly.
So it becomes a little difficult. What's happening is different, and what is shown by the media, it is little different.
True.
So it affects the image.
It does affect perception. So I would suggest we need to as a nation work on the perception that we have in the foreign countries, because we have a lot of potential. Like Pakistan is one of countries where like there's a lot of hidden potential. Like this is even like our chairman of the group believes in Pakistan. Like he being an Egyptian, right? He believes in Pakistan, and he's very happy that Pakistan is still a hidden investment, because he keeps on investing in Pakistan and he keeps getting his return. But as a nation, we need to work to make sure that our perception is we are perceived positively, and we once the perception of Pakistan improves, there are a lot of opportunities, not just in telecommunication, in a lot of other sectors as well.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amir. You were with us today in our show, and we are really thankful to you that you spared your precious time for us and our show. Viewers, as we were talking to Mr. Amir about Link.net, and I think we have a lot of information about Link.net today. Maybe before it was a new name for the country, but now as we have talked, and we know that it is one of the leading telecom companies now in Pakistan. And about the successes, when we talk about the company's business, I think जब determination हो और जब आपकी एक vision हो to start the business, no environment or no political instability can stop the success. With all this for today, take care and Allah Hafiz.